Happy birthday, Don Eme. Bilis talaga ng panahon, no, tay? Parang kailan lang, 75 ka na pala ngayon. Lagi mong iingatan ng iyong sarili at lagi mong tatandaan na rin kami para sa iyo. At pasensya na hindi kami kumpleto sa iyong special day. At I hope to see you soon. And always remember that we love you always, tatay. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hello tatay, happy birthday. Salamat sa lahat ng mga sakripisyo at pagsisikap na ginawa mo sa ating pamilya. Ako nagpapasalamat. At sana, bigyan ka pa ni God na more birthdays to come. At malalakas na pangatawan, malayo sa anumang sakit, ganun din si nanay. At sana, huwag ka masyadong papa-stress na sa bukid. Meron namang gumagawa dyan, may anihin na wala namang problema na. Gawin mo, mag-enjoy ka, relax. At andito lang ako, pamilya ko, mga kapatid ko, handang sumuporta kung anong kailangan. At sana, huwag kang masyadong nag-iinom. Alam mo naman, medyo bata ka pa, matanda pala. Again, happy birthday, enjoy your day, and then God bless. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone. I make a video to give a short message to Tatay for his special day. Tatay, you are the most amazing man I know. Thank you for your unconditional love and support. I wish you have more birthdays to come and always take care of yourself. Happy birthday, old man. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tatay. More years to come. May God bless you with good health and happiness. Ingat kayo palagi ni nanay. Laging tatandaan, mahal namin kayo. Sorry, di kami nakauwi. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Sing.
Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tatay.
Happy birthday, Tatay.
Wish namin for you is good health and more birthdays to come.
Love you.
We love you.
Heart.
Bye-bye, Tatay. Bye.
Maligayang kaarawan, Tatay. Naway mapuno ang inyong araw ng pag-ibig, tawanan at saya.
Hi Tata Emi, I just wanted to let you know that I wish you happy birthday, have a good health, and enjoy your party, and see you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy 75th birthday, Tata Emi. I wish you a super healthy life and more birthdays to come, and I wish you a life filled with abundant happiness. And I'm really sorry that we can't be there physically to celebrate this special day with you, but I'm glad and very thankful to be celebrating it in this way. And happy birthday again. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tata Eme. Wish you a happy, long, blessed life, and have a great birthday party.